All right, guys, here are the three best things about this electric bidet toilet seat, okay? First, all right, it features tankless instant heating technology paired with a multi-level heated seat. Unlike traditional bidets that run out of, warm water or repeatedly reheat a small tank, this system supplies continuous, on-demand warm water at stable temperatures while keeping the seat comfortably warm during cold mornings, right? Second, it provides a comprehensive hands-free hygienic cleaning experience. It's equipped with front or feminine or rear wash modes. It's adjustable water pressure and nozzle positions, and a self-cleaning nozzle that automatically rinses before and after each use, right? And a built-in warm dryer. Okay, it helps deliver a gentle, customized clean while significantly reducing toilet paper reliance, right? And finally, this is perfect for anybody who's looking to upgrade their home bathroom with a quiet, modern convenience. Okay, it comes with an intuitive wireless remote control for seamless adjustments. It comes with a soft close lid that prevents disruptive slamming at night. We all hate that. And an integrated LED nightlight that guides you safely in dark conditions without needing to flip on bright overhead lights. Okay, so guys, if you want a luxurious spa-like upgrade for your elongated toilet that combines customizable warmth, thorough hygiene, and quiet night usability, this bidet seat is definitely worth checking out on Amazon. Peace, y'all.